Hello YouTubers, thought I'd do a video on this. I bought two more cameras, both digital 8, untested, and this one here was fully not operational with the C32 error. I've since fixed it and it's playing the tape inside someone's holiday, clearly. It's been playing for about 5 or 10 minutes now, so it's definitely fixed. Managed to get that one working. So that's fantastic, that's already made the purchases worth it. And this one, the roller was loose inside, it was rattling. I was worried it's the roller there, the black roller here, which the reason it's loose is because the pins come out. I luckily have a spare, or quite low, close to a spare. If it's not going to work with that, I can do one with a Bic pen, just by cutting something off the end of the bit of plastic to hold it in place. But I have done a recording with it since putting it off and putting it back on. So I've just got to see if I can fix it with a pin. But if that goes well, that's two digital 8 cameras. This is a TRV 140, so a very nice digital 8 unit. Already have a working one of these, so it's nice if I can get two working ones. It's proper handy cam with night shot, stereo mic, LED light on the front and everything. But yeah, just giving them a good clean as I go, antibacterial with the coronavirus and everything, so it's Dettol wipes outside, and then I've cleaned the lens with proper lens cleaner. But yeah, this one's already been a success. Right, let's try the other one. Right, moment of truth, I've managed to get the pin in there, it's clicked in. I don't know if it's in, yeah, it's probably as much as I can get it in. I don't want to damage the thing by pushing too much on it. Let's put tape in and see what happens. It's a good start. That's good. Okay, let's close the lid. It's not beeping as yet. Let me put you into VCR mode, which is that way with you. Rewind. Oh, one-handed operation. Ugh. Are you ready to rewind now? Rewinding. Now, moment of truth. Let's press play. Come on, camera.
Recording on the TRV 140.
Yes, fixed it.
Have the pin put back in place.
Two cameras fixed.
Seems to be recording.
Brilliant.
I'll put a cleaner through it first. And now
Two more for the collection.